Hello guys, if you have initialized the Firebase in your .main.dot file and after initializing you are still facing the error that the error flutter runtime .vm initializer Firebase for host API option from resources and method channel firebase.initialize app. This error is because you did not apply the plugin of Google services. You can apply the plugin by going to the Android folder, and in the Android folder you can go to the app folder, and here you can go to the build.gradle file, and here you can apply the plugin. Apply plugin. Plugin is form.google.cms dot Google services SERVI services, and after applying the plugin you have to build the app again. I am closing the app and stop the app, and I have to build the app again. I run the app again, and after running the app this error will be removed and your app will be run fine. Thanks for watching.